Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm with the Jiofi. This is the Jiofi that I'm gonna unbox today. So let's unbox it. Unboxing it. This mess. So here we have the Jiofi. I'm gonna open and break the seal. There you go. Get the seal. Let's open it up and let's see what's in there. So there we go. We open it and boom. This is Jiofi. Oh man, feels great. Oh, it already came out. These are the warranty card and all. So this is the Jiofi design information on. So inside we get so we get the battery. It's about 2400 mAh, and then we get the adapter and the data cable to charge it and all. So let's keep the box aside and move towards the components. Hello guys, so these are the things inside the Jiofi box. This is the data cable, the adapter, a battery and the Jiofi. Oh, let me remove the pillow. Yeah. Come on. Oh, and let me put the battery in. It's quite hard to remove the back cover compared to how you close it. It's quite easy to put it in. Yeah, so here you put your nano SIM, and here is the SD card for storage. And let me put the battery in. See, it's very easy to put it back on. So let's power it on. Oh yes, you have to hold the power button for 1 second to switch it on, and you have to hold it and press it for 3 seconds to switch it on. It's all written in this Geo manual. You have to read this thing before using it. So this red symbol shows that the network is not there, as the same is not inside it. This red symbols here, it shows that it's not in a normal mode. This blue Wi-Fi signal shows that the Wi-Fi is in standby mode, and this green battery symbol here, it shows that the battery is full. So let me show you how it looks when the SIM is inside. Oh yeah, let me switch it off first. Yeah, it's off. So guys, I've put the SIM inside the Jiofi, and let's switch it on. It's booting up. You have to wait for a few seconds, it needs time to boot up. Yeah, it's on. So you see this green LED here, it's showing symbol of network. It's green. It means the signal or network strength is powerful, and here it's showing the power symbol is green because showing or informing us that it's in normal mode. This Wi-Fi button LED, you can say LED, it's blinking and it's green when someone is using it. someone is able to use it, and that's why it's green. So this it's all for this Jiofi video. Subscribe and like the video if you liked it for more videos.